Have you ever been buzzed by a bee and wondered about the deeper meaning behind its visit? Bees, with their tireless work and intricate hives, are more than just agricultural marvels. They are powerful spiritual symbols. In this video, we will delve into the spiritual significances of bees and their messages to us. Bees embody community, diligence, and the importance of teamwork. Their cooperative spirit is a lesson in unity and working together for the greater good. If a bee enters your life, it may be time to focus on harmony and productivity in your own communities. The bee, as a spirit animal, brings the promise of new adventures and the pursuit of dreams. Dreams of bees might suggest it's time to get busy with your goals and personal projects. The bee animal totem encourages us to extract the sweetness of life, to savor every drop of joy and happiness. Bee symbolism in spirituality often represents the soul, immortality, and resurrection. Seeing bees can be a reminder of the delicate balance between life's fragility and its relentless progress. The spiritual meaning of bees includes messages of communication, reminding us to share our inner thoughts and feelings with those around us. Bumblebee spiritual meaning touches on the lightness of being and the ability to achieve the impossible. Animal symbolism teaches us that obstacles are overcome by defying the odds, much like the bumblebee's flight. When bees appear in your dreams, they might symbolize the need for a structured approach in your waking life. As we explore the spiritual meanings of bees, we learn about the small yet profound ways they can influence our life's path. Let this video be your guide to understanding these diligent creatures and the rich symbolism they bring to our world.